As a new welder trying to get the best deals on some personal protective equipment, I made the decision to buy a helmet from an online vendor because it came with a free promotional pair of large Tillman gloves and welder supply stickers, even though I found the same helmet for cheaper at a different vendor. I also purchased a 9-ounce cotton fire retardant coverall, which was listed as in stock throughout the checkout process. What the website failed to mention was that it was actually on back order. The packing slip that was in the box that contained my helmet, TIG glove, stick glove, and thickness gauge indicated that the promotional gloves and stickers were included in the shipment. Unfortunately, they were not in the box, so I emailed Welder Supply and asked if they had forgot to pack it or if it was coming with the back-ordered coverall. Their response was that they did not have an estimate on when the coveralls would ship, but they said nothing about the missing promotional items. The UPS weight sticker shows that the box as shipped weighed 4.5 pounds. I weighed all the items on a Walmart kitchen scale and got approximately 4.5 pounds. A large pair of Tillman leather gloves should weigh greater than 9 ounces, which would make the shipment heavier than 5 pounds. The small Miller TIG gloves came in at 5.9 ounces. The small Tillman leather gloves came in at 9.8 ounces. The Miller Welding helmet came in at just over 2 pounds, and the box itself was about 1 pound. The thickness gauge weight was negligible. I emailed them again regarding the outstanding promotional items, but they never got back to me. The background track's name is Two Face from YouTube's free music library.